The SAP Center in San Jose is electric with anticipation. March 16, 2026. And Nvidia's GTC conference is the epicenter of the AI world. On stage, Jensen Huang, Nvidia's CEO, commands attention in his signature black leather jacket. For years, Nvidia's GPUs have been the backbone of the AI revolution, powering everything from language models to generative AI. But now the empire faces real threats. AMD is catching up, and tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are building their own chips. The stakes are enormous. Trillions of dollars are on the line. The question, can Nvidia defend its crown? Jensen Huang isn't backing down. He built Nvidia by outsmarting giants. Today, he's not just playing defense. He's launching an audacious offensive. He's about to unveil a secret project years in the making named after a Nobel Prize-winning physicist. The crowd holds its breath. Huang is about to reveal Feynman. The next chapter of AI is about to begin. To win the tech war, you need cash, and Nvidia has it in spades. With $60 billion in reserves and projected free cash flow up to $240 billion by 2027, Nvidia's financial power is unmatched. This isn't just a safety net, it's a weapon. It funds moonshot R&D, strategic acquisitions, and lets Nvidia outspend rivals at every turn. Wall Street buzzes about a potential $100 billion stock buyback, a flex of confidence and dominance. But Huang's focus is clear. Invest in the future, not just reward shareholders. Billions go into designing next-gen chips and hiring the brightest minds. While competitors scramble to catch up, Nvidia is already building tomorrow's technology. This financial fortress lets Nvidia move the goalposts before anyone else arrives. The war chest isn't just defense. It's the engine of relentless innovation. That's how Nvidia stays ahead. The money is fuel for the next revolution. On the GTC stage, Jensen Huang unveils Feynman, a chip that rewrites the rules. Instead of copper wires, Feynman uses light, fiber optics woven directly into the chip. Data moves as photons, not electrons, slashing heat and energy use. The result? Data center power consumption drops by over 70%. This leap was expected in the 2030s. Nvidia is delivering it in 2028. Feynman's optical interconnects mean chips can be packed tighter and communicate faster, unlocking bigger, more powerful AI models. It's not just an energy breakthrough, it's a total reimagining of the AI data center. While rivals copy last-gen tech, Nvidia leapfrogs to the future. Feynman solves a critical bottleneck, making old architectures obsolete. This isn't just a product, it's a statement. Nvidia leads, others follow. The AI race just changed lanes. The world is watching. Feynman is here. The future runs on light. Feynman is just one piece of Nvidia's aggressive roadmap. Huang unveils a relentless cadence. Blackwell chips now, Rubin in 2026, Rubin Ultra in 2027, and Feynman in 2028. Each year brings a major leap, unheard of in the chip industry. The strategy shift from power-hungry AI training to efficient AI inference. Every new chip slashes inference costs, making AI cheaper and more accessible. This opens new markets, from smartphones to healthcare. By halving costs with each generation, Nvidia ensures demand keeps soaring. The roadmap isn't just about speed, it's about making AI practical everywhere. Nvidia's pace leaves rivals scrambling. The future belongs to those who innovate fastest. Nvidia's hardware dominance is matched by strategic moves. In late 2025, Nvidia acquires Grok for $170 billion, a startup with the world's fastest language processing unit, LPU. Grok's LPU, powered by ultra-fast SRAM, sets records in AI language tasks. Instead of competing, Nvidia absorbs the threat, fusing Grok's speed with its own CUDA software ecosystem. The result, unmatched performance for AI chatbots and language models. This isn't just about power, it's about specialization. As AI diversifies, Nvidia's arsenal grows. The Grok deal secures Nvidia's lead in the booming language AI market. It's a bold, expensive move, but it locks down a critical flank. Nvidia isn't just defending its empire, it's expanding it. The language race is won. The empire grows stronger. Wall Street is all in on Nvidia. 93% of analysts rate the stock a buy, a rare consensus for a $4.4 trillion company. Price targets predict a 45% upside, fueled by explosive growth and innovation. Despite its size, Nvidia trades at just 17 times forward earnings, cheaper than the S&P 500 average. Investors get hyper-growth at a value price. This financial momentum is self-reinforcing. High stock, easy capital, top talent, and strategic acquisitions. Nvidia's success creates a halo effect. Everyone wants in. While rivals struggle for attention, Nvidia is the market's darling. Wall Street's confidence gives Nvidia even more firepower. The man in the leather jacket has the world's backing. The bet is placed on Nvidia. Nvidia's empire looks unbreakable. Cash-rich, innovative, and beloved by Wall Street. But the battlefield is shifting. AMD is a real contender, and tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are building their own chips. These companies control the cloud platforms where AI lives. They want independence. The war is no longer just about hardware, but about who controls the ecosystem. Nvidia's answer, its software moat, CUDA, and the new enterprise platform, NemoClaw. These tools lock developers in, making it hard to switch, even if rivals catch up on hardware. The next few years will decide the future of AI. It's a high-stakes chess match, with billions at play. Nvidia has made its move, brilliant, bold, and risky. The armies are gathering at the gates. The battle for AI's future has begun.